Hi friends, this is Nadia from Love Fluffy Bums, and some of you have asked me in the past to do a video about our experience of cloth diapering in daycare. So today's video will be solely with the purpose of me sharing our experience of cloth diapering our baby in daycare. So a few months ago, we tried to have my baby going to daycare for a few hours a day, basically from 9 until 1, and we were hoping that he will transition easy. And I was planning to start working, and I was planning to start looking for a job and start going to interviews. So basically my baby was in a daycare for about a month, and for that month he went there a few times a week, because every time he would go he would get sick. So then he was staying a few days at home until he recovers, and then he would go back to the daycare and he would get sick again. So after the month was over, we decided that the best thing for him is to stay at home at this point, and we're going to start looking for daycares again in the fall. So I would like to tell you what was our experience in the daycare with the cloth diapers. Basically, since the beginning I told them that my baby has sensitivity to using disposable diapers, and if the daycare wants to say no to you about using cloth diapers, you can always say that your baby is sensitive to disposable diapers, and that can be true most of the time, because the disposable diapers have chemicals in, and your baby can get rashes from the chemicals. And of course, if you're a cloth diapering mama, you don't want all that nasty chemicals being next to your baby skin, and you already have all of your cloth diapers, so it doesn't make any sense to spend money on disposable diapers. And of course, these disposable diapers are going to the landfills, so it's overall not good for your baby and not good for the environment. So we told the daycare that our baby cannot use disposable diapers and he can only be cloth diapers. And at that point, if the daycare said that they don't accept that, would be a deal breaker for me, and I would have looked into other daycare. But they said that that's fine and it's not a problem for them. So they were okay with us bringing cloth diapers in the morning, and of course picking up the cloth diapers in the end of the day. So what I would do every morning is I would pack 3 or 4 diapers in a wet bag, and also I will provide for them extra wet bag. So once they use any of the diapers, they would put the soiled diapers in the second wet bag. And I usually use mostly fleece liners at home, but for the purpose of being easier for them, I got some disposable liners. So when the baby had bowel movement, or I think for any change, they will just take the disposable and they will toss it in the toilet, and it does decompose by itself, so this was not a problem. So the only one small issue they had was that they didn't want to have the diapers inside the room where the kids are, because they said for sanitary reasons, if there is an inspection coming, the diapers shouldn't be in the room. And of course for me that was not a problem, so they installed a little hook in the toilet. So every time when I would pick up my son, I would just go to the toilet and I would take the wet bag from the little hook and I would take it home. I'll wash the diapers, and of course the next day I'll be back with additional clean diapers as well. So what I want to stress to you is please, please, please don't send to daycare nice diapers, because I did send the first day a blueberry diaper that was a really nice diaper, and I don't know what they did. I think they left most of the poop on the diaper for some reason. Even after they discarded the decomposable liner, then there was still so much left over on the diaper. It was soaked with poop, so even when I sprayed it so well after the fact, the diaper had major stains. So I washed the diaper multiple times, and even a few months later now, you can still see all of the stains. So what I want to stress to you is do not send nice diapers to daycare. What I did was slowly I started acquiring cheaper diapers, like mostly China-made diapers. So all of these diapers you see here are my daycare stash diapers. So I'm gonna have a separate video where you can find the cheapest and the best quality of the China diapers, but basically Sun Baby is a very good option because it's cheap, affordable and good diaper. Happy Endings are excellent diapers, but they're not so cheap, and these are excellent diapers as well. Foxglue, because they're very cheap and the quality is still good, and they come with bamboo mix insert. And this is Nikki's diapers, and they're also made in China, and they're also cheaper version that you can use, and they're excellent diapers, but they're a little more on the pricey side in comparison to other China diapers. So yeah, so I'm acquiring separate stash for daycare. So when my baby starts again daycare in the fall, or whenever he starts, I'll be having at least 15 diapers that are solely with the purpose to be used in daycare. So that's a tip for you. Don't send your nice diapers to daycare because they're not going to take care of them well. Also, another thing that I noticed was that my diapers would come back in a plastic bag, very well tied, and the plastic bag was put inside the wet bag. So for some reason, I don't know why, but they would think that there's something wrong with cloth diapers, or they were a little freaked out about the germs, or I'm not sure. And this was a little weird for me because I think wet bag it's good enough to contain all of the germs inside. And even if it was just pee, they would still like make sure there is a plastic bag, and then the plastic bag it's in the wet bag. So other than that, I found that daycares can be pretty good about cloth diapering, so don't be scared. And if they say no to you, you can always ask your pediatrician to write your note and to say that your baby is sensitive to disposable diapers. I'm really not a fan of disposable diapers, and I would not spend any money on them anymore since I started cloth diapering. And also, as I said, they're not good for your baby, so I would just not give them an option. You just say, I would like to use cloth, and that's it. If they don't like it, you just move to another daycare, choose another daycare. So I hope that you found this video somewhat helpful, and this was my personal experience with cloth diapering in daycare, and my experience was pretty positive. I hope yours is as well, and please leave me in the comments below a few words of how you found cloth diapering in daycare, if it was nice experience for you or if you had some issues. I would be thrilled to read all of your comments. And if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. And if you enjoy cloth diapering videos, please subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot of cloth diapering videos on my channel, and I have about 5 giveaways, cloth diaper giveaways coming to my channel in these coming weeks. And thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.